Hi everyone, this is Heather Barnhart with another Tip Tuesday. First and foremost, happy holidays. I hope everyone is getting some downtime and closing out the fun 2025 and bringing in hopefully a better 2026. First, I want to talk about better. And your experience in Physical Analyzer will be a lot better if you make sure you are running the proper decoding engine. So if you ever find that you're trying to process something and you believe Physical Analyzer should support it and it's not, check your decoding engine. So here I am in where I would download Celebrate Physical Analyzer Update. And this is really important that you understand you have to be online, or at least one person in your organization must be online to download, obviously, the update and or the decoding engine. So if you're just running updates on the fly, the decoding engine may not appear that it needs to be updated. What you'll see here is the version of Physical Analyzer was released in October. However, if you go down to decoding engine, you'll see that there is one that is newer from 11/15/25. You can see the decoding engine version here. So what you want to do, you want to download that. What I typically do is anytime I update Physical Analyzer, I will always look for a decoding engine. But also, when you look at these dates, you'll realize there could be a newer decoding engine. We are working to alert you within the tool if something is new or one comes out. But what I recommend is if you work application heavy cases, always go and look for the proper decoding engine. And all you have to do is install it, reboot PA, and then all of those parsers are going to be available to you to do additional parsing. Stay tuned for more Tip Tuesdays.
Want more? Subscribe.